What's good, YouTube? We back here with another YouTube video reaction. We about to react to "Can You Stand the Rain" by New Edition. Can You Stand the Rain by New Edition. Let's tap in and see what this is hitting for. New Edition, have they lost it? Okay, Mysterious. Yes. Come on, yo. If you starting a song off like that with the vocals like that, you gonna bring the men. You gonna bring the ladies in for sure. The ladies is in tune, you heard me? Come on now.
On a perfect day,
Yes.
I know that I can count on you.
Yes.
When that's not possible, tell me, can you ever restore?
Oh, yeah, come on. 90s, bro. 90s music, 90s R&B, 90s love music was the best sound ever. Argue with me.
Cause I need somebody who will stand by me.
He said, "Cause I need somebody to stand by me." Come on now.
Through the good times and bad times, he would always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come.
He said, "Storms will come." Come on. He said, "Everybody needs somebody beside them. Can you stand the rain, my heart?" Come on. He said, "Sunny days." Come on.
Always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come.
Yes.
This we know for sure.
This we know for sure. Can you stand the rain?
Can you stand the rain?
Love unconditional.
Unconditional.
I'm not asking just of you.
Yes.
Girl, to make it last, I'll do whatever needs to be done.
He said, "To make it last, girl, I'll do anything it needs to be done." Come on now.
But I need somebody who will stand by me. When it's touchy, you won't
Yes.
run. She will.
Come on. I can't hit the move. Stop. Come on. Huh? He
When
said,
it's touchy,
Yes.
you won't run.
Yes.
She will always.
I know when they used to perform back in the days in the 90s, I know the girls was going crazy. The ladies was going crazy, bro. Fainting.
Be right there for me. Everybody loves them.
Yes.
Tell me, can you stand the rain? Can you stand it? Storms will come. I know, all the days won't be perfect.
The storm gonna come, but it's gonna get better. Come on now. He said the storm gonna come, it's gonna get better. Me and you together, yes, forever. Like, come on. He said this, for sure. Come on. Real genuine vibes.
But shall we, can you stand it? Can you stand the rain? Can you stand the rain? No pressure, no pressure. pressure
No pressure.
from me,
Yes.
baby. 'Cause I
This is a vibe, bro. Can you send the rain, man? What y'all know about New Edition?
want you, and I need you,
Yes.
and I love you. Tell me, baby.
Well, you hear that note. He said, and I love you, girl.
Cause I want you, and I need you, and I love you. Tell me, baby, will you be there for me? Come on, baby, let's go get wet. Can you stand the rain?
Come on, I don't think y'all hearing it right now. My son hitting the note, the vocals in the background. He said, "Come on, Jay."
Will you be there, girl? Storms will come for sure. Can you stand the rain?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's that. That's that. Yeah. New Edition. Can you stand the rain, man? Song is so tough, bro. Like ain't nothing like '90s vibe music, man. It was real, bro. Facts, bro. Shout out to them boys, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be playing '90s music all the time. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna introduce my kids to the '90s love music and the '90s music, bro. This is my music. It was real back then. You feel me? Really genuine, man. Check out them boys. New Edition official. New Edition. Come on now. We off this one.